Cool looking, man. A white Wartskin Angler. What's up, everyone? Back from the fish store. Yeah, I didn't like you on video. Anyways, guess what we got? Woo! Check it out. Seahorse. Time for seahorse. Finally got a seahorse. So we're temperature acclimating him right now. And then I gotta get him drip acclimated. And I got some brine shrimp that we're gonna put in there, see if he wants to eat, because he hasn't eaten yet. Like his little fins on the back. It looks like he has wings. It's so cool. So, anyways, we're gonna get that done, taken care of, and then I gotta go catch Oscar, my angler fish, and put him in a separate container so I can get him fed, because I got some chromis for him to eat, and I can't put him on the big, or put them in the big tank with him to eat, because everybody else will eat all the fish before he gets to them. So anyway, stick around, let's see all that. Alright, sorry, I didn't get a chance to, oops, that's bad lighting, get a chance to get me catching Oscar on camera, but it was real quick and simple. He was right at the top of the water, and I scooped him up in a little container. So we're gonna get some chromies in there and see what happens. Hopefully he'll eat, because the pet store, the fish store right now don't have any grass shrimp or any live feeder fish. So I had to buy chromis at $9 a pop. So let's see what's up. Alright. Get this bag open. Gotta get a net. I got water everywhere. Alright, we got the chromies in there, in the net. Let's hope he eats them. Oh, there he goes. He's already hunting for them. There he goes. He's after them. Here he goes. He's gonna nail them all. Oh my gosh, he's gonna get them. He's hungry. Oh, he's gonna get a bunch. He's gonna get them. Oh my gosh, if he gets all of them at once, that'd be. Oh my gosh. Oh, he missed them. He missed all of them. He missed all of them. He missed them. He's going again. He's going after him again. He's going again. He's gonna get him this time. He's gonna get him this time. Get him, Oscar. Got him. Got one. Good for him. There's one down. He's going after another one. He wants more. Go get him, Oscar. Go get the other ones. That fish is alive and kicking inside of him right now. That was awesome. Chase him back over here. He wants to get another one. Oh, yep, yep. Get him, Oscar. Get him, Oscar. Boom, got him. He got 2 of them. Yeah. He's going after the other ones. Is he full? He might be full now. He got 2 whole chromis in him. 2 whole chromies. You go, Oscar.
He's eating?
He ate 2 of them. You got 2 of them. Watch him start shaking in the stomach in a second. They'll shake around in the stomach. They're still alive. I'm chasing him there too. See if he wants another one. He might be. Oh, nope, he's looking for him. Going back again. Yep, he wants more. He wants more. He's still hungry, everyone. He wants more. Get him, Oscar. Get him, Oscar. Get him, Oscar. Boom! Got him! Yeah! Yeah! That's what I'm talking. He's definitely full now. Is he gonna get the last one? Are you gonna get the last one? You might as well, because it'll be a week before we get more fish.
Oh yeah, he's going after it.
Yep, yep. Let me help you out. Oh! That was so close. So close. Watch. Get him, Oscar. Get him, Oscar. He's easing in. Easing in for the kill. Easing in for the kill. Let's help him out. Let's get him. Boom! Got him! Sucked him up. He got 4. He is a $36 worth of chromies. Just like that. Hold that real quick. Let's put him back in the big tank, everyone, now that he's full. Yeah, got him a full belly. Look at that big old. Good grief. Oh yeah, I'm happy now. That makes me happy. Oscar is full. Let me put the top back on up here. All right. Whoa. A lot of water to this young life. I don't know what I gotta do this weekend. Oh, water got in it. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, let me wipe this water up real quick. Get that. So, now I've got to get Walter fed. Not today. He should be fine for now. But I definitely gotta get him some. Definitely gotta get Walter some grass shrimp or a chromis or something for him to eat, because he might be able to make it till next Wednesday. Well, that's my other angler fish, and we have Bebop and Rocksteady that need some fish too. So, whew, they're running slim on everything right now. Anyways, Thank y'all for watching. Stick around. If y'all haven't liked and subscribed yet, please hit that thumbs up button. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And hit the subscribe button, please. And also, I will put a PayPal link down in the description. If anyone wants to donate anything to help make a little bit better content, feel free. Doesn't hurt anything. It'll all go towards the tanks and making better videos for y'all. So y'all just let me know. Throw some comments down in the comment box. Give me some ideas what y'all want to see, things like that. But I hope y'all enjoyed all this, and I hope y'all enjoy the fish. I got my banded coral shrimp over here, and next thing you're gonna see is the seahorse going in the tank. So stick around so you don't miss that. That's gonna be on this video too. Peace. All right, I figured we'd just include a small feeding in this video as well. So here we go. I will just trying to keep my Polini grouper from eating. I'm not gonna hurt him. And put Karen back in the tank in a second. Anyways, I'm trying to get everybody to eat here. I'm gonna get over here and get some of this krill over here for the Polini grouper. Oh, there he goes. He's going to get some. Oh, hang on, hang on. There we go. Now I can get some. Oh. That eel, there you go. Oh, the eel and the group are fighting over it. There he goes. There he goes. He'll get some more. Let's get this up here. There we go. There it is. Alright, as everybody's tearing the krill up, get this shrimp thawed out, the lionfish, and the eels. Oh shoot, there's way too much water in there. Alright, so I'm going to thaw out the shrimp, and then I'm going to feed them that. So y'all stick around for the seahorse going. It's that time! Starfish! Oh, starfish. Seahorse. Seahorse time. I keep saying that, I don't know why. Alright, let's go ahead and get this seahorse inside this tank. Alright, I'm going to do this here. Let's pull this out first. Alright, done. Now, wet my hand. Let's pick this guy up. Let's see. And that water's a little bit warm compared to this one. I'm gonna acclimate this a little bit more. Let's see. Yes, indeed. We're going to let this go a little bit longer, guys. That water is still a little bit cool compared to that there, and I don't want to shock that seahorse, so I want to do this drip acclimation a little bit longer, try to get this temperature the same before we dump him in here. So we'll be right back. All right, everyone, it's time to get the seahorse in the tank. It's finally done. Let's get her going. All right, I'm going on that. Sorry. Alright, let's get a little bit of water out of here. Let's get our seahorse out of here and put in the tank. And we're in. We have seahorse action. Right. We get some brine shrimp in here and get this little guy fed. That's the next thing to do. Alright. A little too much water in there, but we'll be okay. Alright. Well, I'll be right back after I get these brine shrimp ready. So stay tuned. Alright, we're going to dump some brine shrimp in here and see if the seahorse wants to eat any. Bunch of little sea monkeys floating around in there. He's looking at them. I'm sure if he doesn't, I'm sure he's probably a little bit stressed out right now because he went through it. Well, maybe not. He's gonna eat. He's looking for one to eat right now. I know he's stressed out a little bit from. Oop. Here we go. There we go. Come on. We gotta figure out a name for him. But yeah, he had a long ride from the pet store, or the fish store. And a bumpy ride too when we got into our neighborhood. And a long acclimation process. So I'm sure he might be a little bit stressed out, but not too much. And I'm sure he will eat some sea monkeys in a little bit. And now he's just trying to figure out where he's at. So we'll come back later and we'll do another video on him and make sure we get some good updates. And I will keep y'all informed. There's some sea monkeys mating already. Right there by that shell, or by the hermit crab. There's see them? Mm-hmm. Yep, there they are. Floating around, they're mating. My sea monkey babies. Alright, so we'll come back, make another video later on and do an update on the seahorse just to keep an eye on him and make sure he's doing alright and eating. Hope y'all like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.